So welcome everybody to Coffee with Markus. I've been doing a few of these sessions right now because, as you know, the markets are crazy. Now in a moment we'll look at the markets, we'll see what's happening. You know me, I'm not buying into the hype and I'm not buying into the panic. I like to trade what I see, not what I think, and I do the same with the facts that we have here. So let's get started. Really interesting. You know that I've been talking about mortgages. Here's the interesting thing. Right now, mortgages are getting more expensive, even though the Fed slashed rates to zero. Why? Because right now, people are, see, there's a 30-year fixed mortgage. It's so dirt cheap. I mean, what? 3.7%? That is crazy. That is amazing. I thought it would be higher because right now there's huge demand. Everybody's looking at the low rates and they want to refinance, right? And banks right now saying, whoa, we first need to see how we are getting all the money that the Fed is promising right now. So this is why right now there's demand and the loans are not being handed out yet. It might take another week or two while everybody is sorting out what the heck is happening here. So if you are in the market for a new loan, I mean, if you right now have a rate below 3%, I think this is great. If you can get a 3 for 30-year fixed, if you can get a 3.75, that is great. If for a HELOC, a home equity line of credit, if you can lock in right now anything below 4, that would be awesome. Anyhow, let us actually go back to the charts. Let me come to you full screen and let me take a look at the comments here. So what do you think all this quantitative easing will do to the bond markets? Flight to safety. See, great question. But right now, if you look at what's going on, it has been pretty much sell, sell, sell. So you see, usually a safe haven is gold, and gold has been going down. Let's take a look at the 30-year bonds, the bond futures here. They actually have sold off. Right now, they're going up again. So the flight to safety, I don't see it yet. Think about it this way. People said that Bitcoin is a safe way to put their money in. And look at the weekly chart here, how Bitcoin has been hammered and dropped from, look at this, 10,000 to right now 6,000, but well below 5,000. So the flight to safety, I don't know what's safe right now. Gold is not safe. Bitcoin is not safe. Bonds, I mean, we will see. We will see. It's a great question. But I think really the next week or two will be very telling where we know more. So right now, I mean, get lines of credit, line up cash if you can, because that will provide you with amazing opportunities in the week to come. Mohammed is asking, investing in Bitcoin is not safe right now? I don't think it was ever safe. To be honest, I think it was just a pure gamble. Let's bring it back. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here for a moment. Yeah, and see what happened here to Bitcoin. And let's also zoom out a little bit. I always like to take a look at the bigger picture. Here's what happened. Bitcoin was hovering around what? $1.90. And then it got traction. And then it went all the way up to 20,000. And if you see a parabolic move like this, it will go down. It will go down. Then it was going back up. And you see right now where everybody says, hey, cryptocurrencies are the safe haven. Apparently not. Apparently not, as you can see. By the way, some more of the parabolic moves. Whenever you see a parabolic move like this, you know that it'll come crashing down. So let's talk about Tesla here, for example. Tesla had a parabolic move like this. See it? Company was trading between 300 and 200, then went all the way up, almost to $1,000. Came up, came down. Tilray, a pot stock company, right? Very similar. Look at this. All the way up. When you have a parabolic move like this, comes down. Right now, where do you see this? Blue Apron, right? APRN. Look at this. Parabolic move. What comes up must go down. If you have a parabolic move like this, it'll usually come crashing down. Anyhow, investing in Bitcoins, I personally do not have Bitcoins, never had any Bitcoins. I don't believe in it. Gabriel is saying Bitcoin is doing better than stocks right now. I don't know. Want to take another look at the charts? Let's do it. Come on, let's do this. Let's take a look at Bitcoin because you're so interested and see how they're doing better at stocks. So we see here, right now, as you know, the stock market is down around 30%. So if you go from the high here that we had a few weeks ago To the low, it was down 63%. To where we are right now, it's 43%. So Gabriel, why would you say that Bitcoin is doing 1,000 times better? I'm quoting your words here. You said it's 1,000 times better than stocks. How? The overall stock market is down 33%. Bitcoin, even though it recovered right now, is down 43%. I mean, you see, guys, this is why I appreciate you being here, because I want you to get the facts. I want you to look at the numbers, trade what you see, not what you think. So, Gabriel, I'm sorry, but I disagree with you. Looking at the charts, they're not doing 1,000 times better. They're in fact Bitcoin is doing 50% worse than stocks right now. Not individual stocks, but the stock market as an overall. I hope that you're enjoying attending these sessions as much as I enjoy hanging out with you, giving you hard facts, and then also my opinion. And please take it for what it's worth. I mean, it's my opinion. My goal is to give you practical advice that you can use right away in your daily life and in your trading. If you subscribe to this channel, you will automatically get a notification whenever I go live. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like it, and have a great day, rest of the day, and take care.